Hi everyone, welcome to वर्षा's Versatile Channel. वर्षा's Versatile Channel में आप सबका स्वागत है. In this video, we are going to prepare delicious dates oats cake recipe, which is a guilt-free treat for everyone. I promise you that this is going to be one of your favorite cake recipe. Here is everything you need to prepare a delicious dates oats cake recipe. Ingredients: oats flour 1.5 cup, almond flour 1/2 cup, dates seedless 1 cup, milk 1 cup 250 ml, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1/2 teaspoon, vegetable oil 1/4 cup, vanilla essence or vanilla powder 1 teaspoon, chopped nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios 1/4 cup, cinnamon powder and nutmeg powder 2 teaspoon optional, salt 1/4 teaspoon, curd 1 cup. Instructions for preparing the cake. Prepare the dates. Soak the dates in warm milk for 1 to 2 hours until soft. Blend the soaked dates and milk into a smooth paste. Pour the blanched almonds in the mixer jar and grind it into a soft powder. Add the oats in the mixer jar and grind it into a powder. Add oil, curd along with the soaked dates in the mixer jar. Blend all the wet ingredients in the mixer jar. Pour the wet ingredients in the flour and combine well. Fold in the chopped nuts and dry fruits. Pour the batter in the grease tray. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, that is 350 degree Fahrenheit, or the pan 15 minutes before you start baking the cake. Bake for 50 minutes. Insert the toothpick in the center to see whether it comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the tin for 10 minutes. Slice and serve plain or with a drizzle of honey or nut butter. Enjoy a wholesome and nutritious oats dates cake. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this recipe, अगर आपको ये recipe पसंद है, then give a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. आपका favorite cake क्या है? Do let me know in the comments so that I can feature it in my future video.